Hi everybody, welcome to my open house. We're at 11151 Homeway Drive in Garden Grove. Please come in, follow me. This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath. It has over 2,300 square feet. It has 2 master suites. It's on a real generous lot. The lot is over 9,000 square feet. So come on, let's take a look around. So we have a family room as well as a living room here. And the owner actually added this on, and it has a lovely 12-foot window bringing lots of light into the home. And they did a lot of Christmases here, a lot of family holidays, and they have a built-in bar. So the homeowner built this himself. There's beautiful detail in the woodwork. And the family had lots of holidays here. This room is really large, and you could, they had a pool table in here at one point. He also made these wonderful built-in seats, and they've got full safes in here. So you can put all your goodies away, and they're fully functional, so the seller will give you the keys to that. And let's go on into, the family called this the den area. You can hang out, watch TV. There's a gas fireplace here. And that takes us right into the dining room and kitchen. There is direct access from the garage into the home here, and right into the kitchen. This breakfast nook is got a lot of natural light that pours in. And the owners used to sit out here and have their breakfast and their coffee, read their newspaper. In the evening, they'd go out and have a glass of wine. So it really is bright and light. It's a cheery place to be. The kitchen, there's lots of cupboards. We have this built-in pantry, lots of shelving in here. And it's a galley-style kitchen. It has Corian counters. We're going to head down the hall, and we're going to go to the 3 of the bedrooms over this way. The first bedroom. It's also light and bright. It's got plantation shutters. It overlooks the front yard. Has its own little closet here. And it has access to the hallway bath, and we'll hit on that next. The water heater's in the hall, and it looks pretty new. It's all buckled down for earthquake, ready to go. There's lots of linen closet space in here. The owner added a lot of extra cupboards for storage. Then there's another bedroom here we can head into. This overlooks the front yard as well. And it also has a mirrored closet with plenty of storage. And then there's lots of rooms throughout the home that have baseboards, nice real big baseboards, and crown molding at the top. So that's a nice feature as well. This bathroom is got this awesome garden window, so tons of light pouring in here. And then there's a second jacuzzi tub, so certainly could come in home and relax with that. There are 2 master bedrooms in this home. We're going to hit one of them next. This is one of the master bedrooms. It's got its own bathroom attached, which has a shower, and it also has a skylight, so there's lots of light coming in there too. You can have a little pole so you don't need to get a ladder or anything. You can just open it right up and let the steam out when you take a shower. Okay, follow me. We're going to go to the other master suite. This home, I think, would be great for a multi-generational home or a large family. Somebody wanting to move their in-laws in with them, or even want to have a renter. This other master bedroom would be ideal for that. panel doors. Okay, welcome to the other master suite. This one is just off the living room. It's got a huge walk-in closet over here, and it's also got double mirrored closets on the other side with additional storage up above. Has beautiful crown molding around, and it's light and bright. It overlooks the backyard. It also has its own full bath over here. So if you wanted to rent this out, it certainly could be a tenant-occupied bedroom, or if you want people to be able to come in and use the restroom without coming through the rest of the house, this would be ideal. This window brings in tons of light. It's I think it's 12 feet long. Come on out. Okay, now we're in the backyard. It's really spacious, very, very quiet, private. There's a large green belt back here, and palm trees. There's plumeria, and there's access to the garage here, directly into the backyard as well. And you also have a side gate down the side for probably you can take your trash out down that side. Come on, follow me. The plumeria are blooming. I think there are a variety of colors. This one's pink. Very pretty. This side of the house has a really large storage shed, so you could certainly put all of your gardening tools in here and still have your garage for other things. Really large conditioner unit for the home. Keeps the whole house very cold, and it's really comfortable in here all day. Okay, so now we're at the porch, and as you can see, they've got seating out here. Probably could fit maybe a table for 4 to 6 out here. It's pretty spacious. And I wanted to show you how big the driveway was, because I think you could probably park maybe 4 to 6 cars there, depending on the size. And you could probably add in maybe a smaller RV or a boat. Right now they've got 2 cars and 2 water vehicles on it, and they've got plenty of room to spare. It's a real quiet street. It's an interior lot. So I think this will make a wonderful new home for you. If you have any questions, give me a text or call at 714-501-7798, and hopefully I'll give you the keys to your new house. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.